Good morning, sir. I am Niharika. I am currently pursuing fourth BTech in SRIT. Today we can discuss about the topic as actuators and its functional diagram, types of actuators and the basic principles of electromagnetic actuators in subject of sensors and actuators for engineering applications. First of all, we have to see about what is an actuator. Actuator is the one of the device. It will converted into input signal or energy into the physical motion. It uh, it can output act as a control system. And the actuator which can be receives the signal from controllers and it will be produce the mechanical movements. Commonly examples of these actuators like motors in hydraulic cylinders and solenoids etc. Why we need two actuators? It will be produces an mechanical movement and also it will be controls the position, speed and as well as force. It will be operate the machines automatically and also it will be convert the electrical hydraulic energy into the useful motion and it will perform the repetitive operations more accurately. And these applications which can include like a robotic arms, automatic doors, walls and also CNC machines. This is the functional block diagram of an actuators. First of all, in first block it will consisting of a input or control signal. These input control signal to controller, controller to actuator, and this actuator to mechanical output. The actuator it will receive the control signals and again it will converts into some available energy in that one and this energy can be converted into some useful mechanical motion. The main components of the actuator systems like input control signal. It is a one of the command given to the actuator. Controller is the one of the process that command and determine the required action. Energy source is the one of the electrical or hydraulic energy. Actuators, the function is mainly to convert energy into mechanical motion and mechanical load. It will receive the generated force as well as our motion. Feedback system it will be provides the information about the output from the closed loop of the system. These are the classifications like electrical actuators. It will be mainly uses electrical energy. Electromagnetic actuators, it will be uses some magnetic fields. It will be produced by the some current. Hydraulic actuators, it will be some pressurized liquid. Pneumonic actuators, it will be used for compressed airs. Thermo and piezoelectric actuators like used for temperature or electric field effects. Based on the motion, we have classified it into linear actuators and as well as rotatory actuators. Next, what is electrical actuators? These electrical actuators, they can be uses some electrical energy. These electrical energy can be produces into mechanical motion. Some examples like DC motor, AC motor, stepper motor, and service motor. It mainly works on principle of like electrical current and magnetic fields. They can be generate force or torque. Main applications of the robotics, conveyor belts, CNC machines, and industrial automation. Next, hydraulic actuators. The hydraulic actuators are pressurized liquids. It will be produces some motion and as well as pressure will be applicable for fluid for produces for force of the piston. The basic formula of the hydraulic actuators force is equals to pressure into area. These are the applications of heavy machinery, aircraft, and control systems. Mnemonic actuators. These actuators can be compressed by air. It will be produces some mechanical motion. This compressed air will be enters into cylinder and where applies the pressure on the piston. This piston will be produces some linear motion. These actuator mainly advantages like simple construction, fast operation, and clean operation. These are used in applications like pick and place systems, packaging, and industrial automation. Next, linear and rotatory actuators. The linear actuators means it will produce a straight line motion. The examples like hydraulic cylinder and Munch cylinders. The uses of these actuators like pushing, pulling, lifting, and as well as positioning. Rotatory actuators. It will be produces a rotational motion mainly, and the examples like electric motor. These can be used in robotic joints, wheels, and as well as rotating shafts. Electromagnetic actuators. These electromagnetic actuators will convert it into electrical energy to mechanical motion using the magnetic fields. The mainly components like coil, magnetic core, moving armature, and the spring or mechanical load. These examples like solenoid, electromagnetic relay, voice coil actuators, and electromagnetic clutch. These are useful in fast and electrically controlled motion is required. Main working principle of the electromagnetic actuators like when current, first of all, current can be flows through in coil. These coil and the magnetic field can be produced. These magnetic field it will be either attracts or repels in magnetic material. The armature moves due to the magnetic force. When current is removed, a spring or mechanism can be returned into the armature. Solenoid actuators. A solenoid actuator is a simple and widely used in electromagnetic actuators. It mainly constructed using like coil, iron core, movable plunger, spring, and electrical supply. When the coil is energized, then electric magnetic fields can be pulls it movable plunger to the coil. These movements can be produced as the mechanical motion. These solenoid actuators mainly used in automatic locks, valves, relays, door mechanisms, and automotive systems. Advantages, limitations, and applications. Main advantages of these actuators, it is a simple construction, fast response, easy and electrical control, compact size, and reliable operation. Main limitations like stroke in many designs, coil heating, power consumption, and force variation with positions. These are used in applications like robotics, automotive systems, industrial automation, medical equipment, and consumer electronics. Conclusion. The actuators are important output elements in automotive control systems. They can convert electrical, hydraulic, pneumonic, or other energy into control mechanical motions. Electrical, hydraulic, pneumonic, or electromagnetic actuators are widely we can use. The electromagnetic actuators which can operate using magnetic field of an electric current. Selection is depends upon the required force, speed, motion, and accuracy, and also an application. Thank you for giving this opportunity.